Find an equation of the line passing through the points -3, 3 and 5, -7. Let's graph -3, 3. Start at the origin, go 1, 2, 3, and then go up 1, 2, 3. There's my first point right there. And then 5 to the right, and then down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw that line. And then as we go from this point to this point, how far is this side? How far is this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 long here. And going from here down to here, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. Now the slope is negative, so the slope is going to be a negative, and it's 10 over 8. Negative 10 over 8, which we found out in the previous video was -5/4. Okay? So, without graphing it, could we do this? Could we find -5/4 without graphing it? Well, m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to plug a 3 here. Let's call this the second point here and call this the first point. The 3 is the value of y, and the value of x that corresponds with that will go right down here. Remember, this is y2 and this is x2. So the -3 corresponds with the 3. So -3 goes here. Your -7 goes here. And the 5, which goes with the -7, goes right underneath the -7. So you end up with 3 plus 7 and -3 minus 5. So we end up with 10 on the top, 8 on the bottom, but you end up with a -8. So we have a negative slope here. Okay, negative slope, which is -5/4. We already kind of knew that. Okay. All right, so now ax plus by is c. The sign between these two things is going to be a positive. Since this is a negative slope, you're going to have a positive right here. And the 5 is going to go in front of the x, and the 4 is going to go in front of the y. Okay, so this is called standard form. Ax plus by equals c. Now c has to do with one of these points. Pick one of these 2 points. Say the -3, 3. Okay? And in place of x, plug in the -3. And in place of the y, plug in the 3. So you're getting -15 here. And plus 12, which is a -3. So in standard form, the equation is 5x plus 4y is -3.